So here we are, the day we've been waiting for. It feels like it took forever to get here. But enough talking. Let me introduce you to Lightning 2.0. This bike is more than just a machine. I could have easily sold it and gone for a Radiator bike, spent less and got more power. But Lightning, this one is different. There is a connection here. Something real. Something I couldn't just easily let go of. This journey wasn't easy. There were setbacks, delays, and moments I just wanted to quit. But I didn't. And now, it's finally here. I've got mixed feelings, honestly. It's kinda sad closing this chapter, but I'm excited for what's next. Because this bike, it taught me a lot. Not just about bikes, but about chasing something you love. About patience, growth, and about how it's important to just live the moment. We get so caught up chasing the next upgrade, dreaming about the future, that we forget we're already living a dream. You're living the dream that your 7-year-old self used to imagine. Okay, maybe not as financially stable as you pictured it, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. So take a second, reflect, appreciate where you are. You've come a long way, and this bike, this moment, is proof that dreams do come true. Now go chase yours.